repetitive result. Same. You will not get new result. If you want new result, then you have to do something else. આ ડોક્ટર સાહેબ છે, બરોબર છે, ભાવનગર છે, મેહુલ સર. હવે ઈ જ્યાં જાય ને એટલે મસ્ત ક્લિનિક સ્ટાર્ટ થઈ જાય છે સાહેબ, બરોબર છે. સર કે કશું નહીં, ક્લિનિક સ્ટાર્ટ થઈ જશે, એઝ ઇટ ઇઝ ચાલ્યા જ કરશે એમને. આફ્ટર 10 years 20 years that clinic will run as it is, fine, not an issue at all. પણ અહીંયા શું કામ બેઠા છે? why he is over here? બધા જ કરે છે, જો ઈ જ હું કરીશ તો ઈ જ રિઝલ્ટ આવશે. કંઈક નવું કરવું છે, કંઈક મથવું છે. My Sunday time 2 to 5 p.m. is the sleeping time. Why I am here? Because that is the only Sunday I am getting, 2 to 5 p.m. Rest all 2 to 5 p.m. I am at office. Only one day. 99% cases I am at a home sleeping time. Even my mobile is also sleeping. When I am sleeping, my mobile is also sleeping. Because that is my routine. My routine is fixed. So you need to fix out something. You need to do that. You need to dig yourself. All these questions answer is available within you, not in me. All these answer available is with you. Just you need to dig yourself. The more you invest your time with yourself, the more result you will get it. I have shared you one particular PDF in starting sessions. So what I am doing in a 1 month, I am trying with 5 or 10 new different innovations that I haven't did yet. That is my trial. Either I get a knowledge or I get that particular profit. Sometimes I am getting that particular profit. Sometimes I am getting knowledge. But you need to try it out also. That was simple things. Process બહુ સિમ્પલ છે. જે મેં સ્ટાર્ટિંગમાં કીધું કે ભાઈ એક કોલેજમાં એક્ઝામિનેશન લેવાની હતી પ્રોજેક્ટની વાયવા, તો મેથડ સેમ છે કે જે લોકો લઈ રહ્યા છે, બેસે છે, પ્રશ્ન સાંભળે છે, છોકરાના પ્રોજેક્ટ જોવે છે, ઇનપુટ આપે છે, ઇનપુટ આપ્યા પછી છોકરો જતો રહે છે. છોકરો અડધું કરતો જ નથી, 90% કરતો જ નથી, કારણ કે છોકરો ભૂલી જાય છે. They forgot it out. તો મેં એ સિસ્ટમને થોડી અલગ કરી. મેં શું કર્યું? મેં બી ઇનપુટ આપ્યા, પણ મેં ઇનપુટ વર્બલ કરતા એને રિટર્નમાં આપ્યા, સિસ્ટમેટિક વેમાં આપ્યા, જનરેટિંગમાં આપ્યા, સાથે સાથે મારું બ્રાન્ડિંગ બી કરી દીધું. 90% કેસીસમાં તમે જ્યારે પ્રોજેક્ટના વાયવા દેતા છો, એ જ્યારે સ્ટુડન્ટ તરીકે તમે પ્રોજેક્ટના વાયવા દો છો, સામેવાળો કોણ છે તો તમને ખબર જ નથી હોતી ક્યારે. ઇફ દે આર ધ એક્સટર્નલ એક્ઝામિનર, કંઈક બીજી કોલેજમાંથી, બીજી યુનિવર્સિટીમાંથી, બીજી કંપનીમાંથી આવેલા છે, તમને ખબર જ નથી કોણ છે, તમે એને જાણતા જ નથી. માની લો કે તમે એને જાણતા હો તો કદાચ તમે એને ટ્રાય કરવાનો કોન્ટેક્ટ કર્યો છે, એના વિશે કંઈક માહિતી ખોદવાની પ્રોસેસ કરી હોત, તમે નથી કરતા આ વસ્તુ, પણ તમારે કરવું જોઈએ. યુ નીડ ટુ. જો તમે એને કરશો બેઝિકલી, then you will have that result different. મેં આજે 40-50 છોકરાઓના ઇવેલ્યુશન કર્યા એક દિવસની અંદર, બધાને પીડીએફ જનરેટ કરીને WhatsApp ઉપર સેન્ડ કરી છે. That was not done by anyone. કોઈએ કર્યું જ નથી. તો મેં એની સિસ્ટમ બનાવી, એની પાછળ ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ કર્યું, મહેનત કરી, ઘણું બધું ટાઈમ નાખ્યું. તમે મને પ્રોજેક્ટ ઇવેલ્યુશન માટે મારી પાસે આવો તો મને ખબર છે કે these are the standard mistakes students are doing. તો સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ મિસ્ટેક ને મેં એક પ્રોપર સ્ટ્રક્ચરમાં બધી જ મૂકી દીધી. What I will do it, I will enter your detail, your name, your mobile number, your guide name, your guide mobile number. I will review your documentation, presentation, your speech, your code, everything, and I will note it down that these many changes requirement in you. Documentation, this many changes, presentation, this many changes. So what I have did is, I have prepared all this list. I have tick mark, these many problems are there, these many points you need to improve it out, At the end, I'm saying one line to that particular student, you will get it all my comments in your WhatsApp within 5 minutes. The student is going outside. Before going outside, they are getting on their WhatsApp with one click. So all the students, 35 projects was there. 35 project group got PDF on their mobile. Same PDF was also sent to guide. So guide have the ready reckoner document that these many changes are suggested, these many changes you have to do it. That is in written with branding. So you need to do some of the tasks, plus you need to do your branding also. So that PDF was something like this. Let me show you that PDF. That was something like this. That is a PDF. That was generated with the system. And with one click, I can able to send it this PDF to the particular students and guides both. That was the WhatsApp integration. That was paid. So I have invested some of the money behind this. My purpose was to give you something hatke, plus indirectly I am also promoting myself. I'm not saying directly, but my number is there. My contact number is there. My website detail is there. Plus, I'm sending that message from my number. So all the connections I have left with that particular students. And most importantly, their mindset. I am the unique in their career. That I'm damn sure. Okay, within 5 minutes, sir has prepared the documents. Sir has prepared that PDF file, and they have sent it on my WhatsApp. That was not happened with me before that time. That was a magic. Let me give you a practical example. Let me give you. Let me give you practical example. I am entering your data. Yes. What was your project? Inventory. Inventory management. Okay. What was the technology? PHP. Group number, for example, 1, and college was, for example, P. Example. So that I have done the entry over here. So I am going into the detail. So now I need to do the entry of the members. So for example, M, say me your number. 6354096 triple 248. So I am entering only two details. As a guide, I am entering my details. I am entering mobile number. Now, this is the evaluation portal. I am evaluating your documentation, presentation, everything. And here is the common problems. After verification, I have found that this many correction is required in your documentations. This many requirement in your presentations. This many requirement in your coding part. And this is in execution part, submit. Plus, I want to suggest some of the websites to you. So some of the Ready Reckoner websites are with me. So you can use this website, you can use this website, you can use this website, or you can use this website, submit. So these everything's are ready. I want to add, please create attractive document for good marks. I'm writing some of the comments. Convert to PDF. Now my PDF is ready. Within one click, PDF is ready. And send PDF. Now check your WhatsApp. You will get it WhatsApp with this PDF. That BP is there. BP is also here in my mobile. As a guide, I received it. As a student, you have received it, and whatever the PDF I have shown to you, that PDF is with you. Yes, 2 rupees. Yes, because 2 messages have been sent. One to you, one to me. So that is the magic. AISNC. For WhatsApp message sending, I am using AISNC. For development, I am using PHP and MySQL. So you need to find out. Again, let us go back to the main slide. What is your business pain point? That you need to identify it first. Then I can give you the treatment. What is the solutions? So whatever the questions you have written over here, so that we have discussed so far. So based on your pain point, I can able to help you that using this tool, you can save your lot of time and you can do the best. So that is a related thing. This is a general process thing of the business. Any business, marketing is there, sales is there, delivery is there, service and complaint is there, renewal is there. But do you have that all this data together data into the one platform on one system? If no, and if you are running business for 5 years, 10 years, then you need to think on it, because data is the biggest assets nowadays. If you have all the data of customers, suppliers, vendors, items, rate card, everything, then you are the biggest person, because that data you can use AISNC like a tool to send WhatsApp to all the customers, all the vendors. You can promote your product within a one click. Generate the quotation, send it on the WhatsApp. Everything is possible. Now the technology is changed. It is not an older technology. Go for the pen and paper and do everything. Totally changed. It is very difficult because you have to take a decision. So many options are there. So many confusions are also there. So one point I am also again mentioning. Whenever you want to do the transformation, hire one consultant, technical consultant, who can help you in each and every step. They are not supposed to develop for you. They are just going to help you with your decisions. The tools, these tools is perfect for you, these tools is not perfect for you. You should do like this. You should not do like this.
Consultant નો meaning શું? એટલે consultant શેના માટે રાખો? your business planning માટે કે business નું શું એટલે એ consultant expert શેનામાં હોવો જોઈએ? એટલે hire કેવી રીતે કરવો? એટલે
consultant શેના માટે hire કરવો જોઈએ અને એ consultant શેનો expert હોવો જોઈએ? Basically તમે એક ક્વેશ્ચન લઈને આવો છો કે એક્ઝામ્પલ તરીકે તમારું ટર્નઓવર છે લેટ્સ સે 1 કરોડ 1 CR તમારું ટર્નઓવર થાય છે. નાઉ યુ હેવ ધ બોર્ડ મીટિંગ. તમે તમારી જે બી બોર્ડ છે મેઇન કોર બોર્ડ એની મીટિંગ કરેલી છે એન્ડ યુ હેવ ડિસાઇડેડ that we want to go to the 2 CR, but how we don't know. કારણ કે કોર મેમ્બર્સ આર હેવિંગ ધ એક્સપર્ટાઇઝ ઇન ધેર બિઝનેસ ઓનલી. એમને એમના પ્રોડક્શનમાં, એમના બિઝનેસમાં, એમની મશીનરીમાં એમાં એક્સપર્ટાઇઝ છે, બટ એમને કેવી રીતે ને ટેકનિકલી હેન્ડલ કરો, ટેકનોલોજીની મદદથી હેન્ડલ કરો, એમાં એક્સપર્ટાઇઝ એમની નથી. એટલે તમારે કોઈક એવો પર્સન જોઈએ કે they will understand your business first. They will visit to your place. They will check out your document. They will do digging into your business. They will find out the problems in your business. After analysis a lot, they will provide you with the input that want to go from 1 CR to 2 CR, you need to do these many changes. This is the proposal by the consultant. Consultant તમને એક proposal આપે એવું કે આ 15 20 25 50 પોઈન્ટ તમારે કરેક્શન્સ કરવાની જરૂરિયાત લાગે છે મને. After that, again you need to go for the board meetings and you need to take a decision that out of these 100, 200, 500 points, how many points we want to include it in a first phase, second phase, third phase, fourth phase. Then you need to hire some of the developer and respected companies for the same. For example, simply things. In your company, 20 workers are working. Have you provided iCard? No. Then you need to provide the iCard to the employees. So iCard is necessary. After all, your question will be there. Why iCard is required? iCard is required for the branding. You want to make a brand, iCard is required. You want to make identity, iCard is required. For example, you are going to visit some of the restaurants. Can you able to identify that which one is the owner, which one is the delivery boy, which one is the customer? So many confusions are there. But if you are visiting in your DMart, you can easily identify it. Yes, this is the DMart via iCard. So that is mandatory. Many times it happens with me. I am visiting to the showroom and I am connecting with the wrong persons. Please check my bike. So they are saying I am also a customer. Then I need to say, please, I'm sorry. Because I cannot able to identify the which one is the right, because they are having the continuous frequency of the changing persons. But if iCard is there,
like મોટા business માટે જ કામ આવે કે
for small organization also, that point is required only if you want to make it a brand. If you have a bigger vision, if you want to go with as it is business, then there is no change required. But if you have something hatke, suppose you want to change some things, then and then this is required. I have personally visited 500 plus customers and find out lots of issues at their places. But the thing is that most of the business are managed by the persons with 50 plus ages and they are rigid with the changes. Suppose you are assigning some of the things, sir, you need to move these things, sir, you need to paint this color, you need to do this. They are resistance with this because they are sitting at the same positions from past 10 years, 20 years on the same chair. So it is very difficult. Once upon time, I am visiting and I am saying that please change the chair. They will not change it, definitely. I know. Because they are sitting on the chair with 20 years. So it is very difficult. But whenever you are handing over that particular company responsibility to some younger persons, so they want to do so many things. They have some budgets. So they need some business consultant who can properly guide them so that their investment, whatever their investments are there, their investment goes to some of the proper places and they get a result. If you are hiring directly software vendor, then you will be into the chaos. First, you need to hire the consultant. You need to do a lot of sitting with the consultant. Consultant will list out all the problems because you cannot identify your problems. Consultant will list it out. Then you need to find it out, discussion with the consultant, what is best solution for me. They will review the technology and they will suggest you what is the best things, because in a market so many free tools are also available. Suppose you start using the free tool, so many changes will be there in your business within 6 months. So many free tools are there. But first, to give you the brief, we need to understand your business. After understanding the business, definitely we can have the list out, we can have that particular inputs. There these many things are there.
સર આપણે બિઝનેસ કન્સલ્ટન્ટ ફાઇન્ડ કેવી રીતે કરવાનો આપણા આપણે કોઈ બી નોર્મલ બિઝનેસ કોઈ તો બધા બિઝનેસ કન્સલ્ટ કરતા હોય આપણે પહેલા ફાઇન્ડ કેવી રીતે કરવાનું ને એમના પાસે એવું શું કરાવવાનું કે આપણું આપણી વસ્તુ કોઈ આપણા કોમ્પિટિટર ને
biggest challenge is there. Uh, Keep the secret, for example. That is the biggest problem. બરાબર છે. So what is the things about the secret? Some of the formulas, unique formulas are there. That formula you need to keep it with you or one of the persons with you. Rest of the things are not your under control. So that things you can make a system. But for formula, you can have some of the special configurations. Some of the special systems, special, let's say, OTP is there, lock is there.
એ તો સર
That things you can make it.
એ તો આપણે કોન્ટ્રાક્ટ કરીએ તો બી આપણે સામેવાળા બાંધી શકીએ.
હા.
એક રીઝન એ બી થાય.
હા.
બાકી બીજો કોઈ મારા ખ્યાલથી એમ નથી કે કોઈ માણસને આપણે જો આપણે બિઝનેસ કન્સલ્ટિંગ કરવા બેઠા છે આપણે બધું વસ્તુ ખોલશું તો એને ખબર પડશે ને કે શું હશે. હવે એ બી
One more important point is also there. As a business consultant,
હા
હું business consultant છું, હું તમને બિઝનેસમાં ગાઈડન્સ આપી રહ્યો છું. You need to provide me all the details. Whether I am supposed to sell your information to someone else or not. For example, this happens. Somebody is selling your information to somewhere else. But you should not be worried because you need to work on your passions. Whatever the changes you are doing, whatever the speed you are having, whatever the policies you are having, they cannot copy. Otherwise, everything is copyable. Zomato is there, Swiggy is also there. So what is the formula of Zomato? What is the formula of Swiggy? Actually, both are doing the same task. As a customer point of view, but internally they are doing different. They have some reasons because they have both the having a different consultant.
સર કન્સલ્ટન્ટ ફાઇન્ડ યુ
That is very tricky things.
like online website.
Yes. What is a business consultant? But business consultant are of many types. Suppose you are looking for a business consultant in Ahmedabad, for example. So professional business advisor, expert business consultant. These are the advertisement. You can see the things. Sponsors are there. So these four are there. This is the consulting firm. So you need to find it out. Something like this. There are n number of different kinds of consultant is available. Some are working with the manufacturing, some are working with financial, some are working with inventory kind of things. So all are having different aspects. So after that meetings, first meeting, you can able to understand it whether that consultant is suitable for you or not. What is their limitations? Because everybody are having their limitations. So what is your pain point? What you want from consultant? For example, I am your consultant. What you want from me? First questions you should write it down on that. Then and then I can able to come to you, and then I can able to help you. If you are not writing, sir, I want to grow my business, but I cannot directly grow. What is your questions? At least you should have 5 questions, 10 questions. Then I can come into the pictures.
સર ક્વેશ્ચન એ બી હોય છે કે હું આ જે મારો બિઝનેસ છે એને સિસ્ટમાઇઝ કેવી રીતે કરીશ.
That can be there. That is IT consultant. That is called as IT consultant. IT consultant is there. IT development field is also there. Developers will develop the system, but consultant will help you with the technology. That this technology is wrong, this is costly, this is easy, this is difficult. This is the things. There are n number of different ways. Everybody are having different expertise, and based on the expertise, they are explaining to you. Simple things. You are visiting to any college. In college, there are 5 or 6 subjects. All the different faculties are there. But some faculty can able to understand it very well. They can able to explain you again good, but some faculty cannot. So that is again there with the consultant also. As per their expertise, as per their experience, the more things you can get it.
Marketing consultant अलग हो.
Marketing consultant is different, sales consultant is different, technical consultant is different. So all these different consultants are there. But at least you need to invite one consultant at your farm. They will connect you with some other consultant also.
Sir, સાંભળ આપણું રિટેલ કાઉન્ટર હોય
Hmm.
ત્યાં આપણે 3 4 10 આઈટમ છે.
હા.
તો હવે એનામાં આપણે કન્સલ્ટન્ટ ને બોલાવીને આપણે એવું તો શું કરી શકીએ કે આપણે જો એક તો સિસ્ટમ ઇન્વેન્ટ સોફ્ટવેર ક્રિએટ કરી દઈશું તો આપણું જે રો મટીરિયલ યુઝ થાય છે એ રીતે ઓર્ડર આપી દેશે પીઓ જનરેટ થઈ જશે. પણ હવે આગળ આપણે શું કરવું એને કન્સલ્ટન્ટ ને બોલાવીને આપણે કેમ યુટિલાઇઝ એને યુઝ કેમ કરીશું?
Yes. So your question is that you are having a retail shop and you are selling some of the items, and 10 items, 20 items you are selling, and that recurring sales is already there. So when to invite the consultant? Whenever you are having something in mind that I want to grow my business is not growing from past 1 year, 2 year, 3 year or 5 year. At that time you need to have some spark in your mind that I want to grow, but you don't know how. At that time you need to invite someone that can you help me with this particular business to grow. Then they will ask you some of the questions, give that answer, and they will come up with some of the answers. The same things is over here. Again I'm coming back to the Excel. So that was a problem of customer came to me. If they came to someone else who is using full day Excel, they are knowing that this person is using Excel daily, full day, so they might be having solution. If they visit their place, they will not get solution because they are using Excel on normal basis. I am using with different things, different angles. So they have sent me the documents, they have explained the problem to me. What I have did is I provided a simple solutions. Just press the control F and your problem is over. It is like a vaccine. COVID was there. So only one few drops. Suppose you put that few drops, you will get energy. But remaining drops is not working. To find out that few drops, that is a consultant.
Sir, sorry to interrupt you.
Yes.
Yeah, this macro you develop, where do we
Yes.
need to put that script in to be enabled on here?
On Excel.
No, the script is combined into Excel, or it was somewhere else, or we just used it in here.
Okay, so you want to add that particular script or macro programming over here.
No, I just wanted to know how that macro programming works here. We enable developer mode, that's the main thing, or we put the
Let me show you. Yes. So let me show one particular macro program, how you can write it down, macro programming into the Excels. I'm showing you the from scratch. So first thing is you need to open enable the developer option. Then developer options will be over here. You can see the things. The developer tab is also there. Now let me close that. Yes. Let me close all these file first. So now all these files are closed. Only one file is there. Now what is the first step? First step is you need to click on a record macro options. And here you need to provide one particular shortcut key. I am providing M, that is Control plus M. I am pressing OK. What happens? Actually, my recording of the macro is started. Whatever actions now I am performing, that will be recorded into the scripts. For example, I am clicking over here. I am writing name. Then I am writing subject 1.
Yeah.
Yes. No, that into that dialog box you need to write it down M. So I click on stop. Here was the record option. Here stop recording option is there. Previously it was record option. So I click on that record option. So recording is started.
Okay, M दबाए M लखे दो.
Then I have written M.
Yes.
Now I am writing some things. Now I am clicking on stop recording.
Okay.
Now I am clicking on a Visual Basic option. So here is a Visual Basic, or you can press Alt plus F11. That shortcut
Okay.
key is there. So I am clicking on Visual Basic. I need to go to the modules. Here module 1 is there. Here is the macro.
Visual Basic by default install છે કે એનામાં બટન દબાવશો એટલે ઓપન થઈ જશે.
Visual Basic is not installed over here. That Visual Basic is the backend language for the macro. That is already available with the Excel.
એટલે by default Excel માં
That is with Excel. No need to do any extra installations.
shortcut key.
Alt plus F11 to open this editor. This editor will help you to generate the macro code or write it down the macro code. Now let me remove that code. Whatever the code was there, that I have removed. Now I am writing my own code. For example, I want to write it down 1 to 100 numbers. So what I need to do is I need to use for loop. For I is equal to 1 to 100. So what is that for loop? That is a Visual Basic 6 language syntax. It is a Visual Basic 6 language, VB6. That is the language behind that. So I am writing for loop of VB6. If you don't know about the VB6, you can learn VB6 tutorial. Somebody is providing VB6. Here is the VB6 tutorial will be there. So they will provide you all the VB6 details. So you need to refer all these details. So I am skipping that part right now. So I am writing for I is equal to 1 to 100. Now I need to write it down something like sheet1 dot cells. Row index is I, comma column index is fixed 1 dot value is equal to I. Now let me save this file. I am saving as an old Excel format, Excel 97 format. I am saving to the desktop, test file. Now I am going back to the Excel. Now what I am did is I am pressing Ctrl plus M and see the magic. So now content is written over here. That content is written up to 100 because in my program I have written up to 100. Suppose I ask you to write it down the same. Generally, you will do it manually or you will do it autofill options. Autofill option is also there. For example, you are selecting 2 options and you are using autofill, then automatically number will be incremented. But suppose you want to do so many programming, so many things, then you need to go with programming. Complex task is there. Now I am changing this 100 to, for example, this many. Let's say 10,000. I am pressing the save button. I am pressing Ctrl M. Now this task is done. You can see the things. That is the magic. Now let us see on second column. Want to generate something else?
First one last.
That is a Control plus up arrow key. That is the top. Control plus down, bottom, left, right. If content is there, that it will jump to content, jump to last content. So content was there at 10,000 cell. So from bottom, I have tried Control plus up. So it stays at column 1 and row number 10,000. So now I am writing some more code. Let me go to the sheet. Now I am writing sheet 1 again. Dot cells. Here I 2 that I am changing the column. Here I am using some of the random value. R&D functions I am using. Now see the things. What happens? Some of the random numbers are there. Let me change it to the. So what I am doing is I am generating random number over here. And that random number, 10,000 random number is generated. Yes. Yes, that is random. No, that might be same. I don't know. That is a random. Random is random. It can be same. It can be different. I don't know. But that is systematically generated. So any kind of programming you want to do it, you can. For example, let us see one more example. After writing that random value, I want to check it out, something different. Let's say if value greater than 0.1 and less than 0. Let's say 5, then I want to do something different. Sheet1 dot cells I, 2 dot background. Might be there will be background. Let us search for the syntax.
If statement, yeah.
I want to change Excel macro change background color, BG color. So you will find that particular syntax from the Google. So I am writing color index is equal to. So here is the interior dot color index is equal to 37. Let me go to the Excel. Now let me again run it. Now see the things. I have put up some of conditions that some of the values should be background color with this. You can put any conditions. Let's say student is pass, then different color, fail, different color, percentage, different color, grade, different color. So you can do anything. Whatever the operations are available over here, all these operations you can add it into the macro programming that is available. So to save the time, if you are working with Excel daily, then use these options. Even mail merge, you can use it to promote. Mail merge is the biggest tool. Yes. I have few more options over here also that I haven't. I will skip that things. That marketing, these many tools are also there. I will share that PPT with all the members. So MailChimp is there. You might be using MailChimp. MailChimp is used to send a bulk email to all the customers. AI Sensi is used to send a bulk WhatsApp to all the customers. Mail merge is the combo of Word, Excel, and Outlook. In a Word, you need to prepare the letter. In Excel, you need to prepare your data, and Outlook will be used to send that email to customer with customization. Dear Adarsh, your result is this. So that is customization based on from Excel. It will fetch it and it will be send it via email. MailChimp is the website that can help you to send bulk email to customer. Same as mail merge. But that is online. Tool is there, and that tool is providing so many different functionality, like how many has open your email, how many has not open your email, click to resend with non-opener, and so many insights are also there. Outlook can help you to send email only, but who has opened it, who has not opened it, Outlook will not give you the idea. They will not give you the idea. These tool will give you the idea. Yes, you want to make a customization software for this, then we can. Like a mail merge, like a MailChimp, we can make a customized software also to track it out. That customer is opening that email. You can able to track it in background mode. That is possible. Yes. So if you are making your own customized CRM software, inventory software, ERP, you can do all these things. But if your consultant are having that knowledge, they can help you. If your consultant are having that don't having any knowledge, they will say you that this is the ready software, please use it, because they are not having knowledge. They are the salesperson only. They just want to sell it out. They don't want to explore into the depth level. Business Facebook we have already discussed. Buffer we have already discussed. Sales tool